Hi, I'm Allison, a product manager at Cuyari, and I will be showing you how to use the SVA Report trending arrows. Now that we understand our product categories, it's time to discover how our products are trending over the 7-week period. In the legend, you can see that there are 5 ways a product can be trending. First, let's take a look at the arrows. The arrows represent how the products are trending over the entire 7-week period. The arrows are the big picture trend where I compare the average orders of weeks 1 through 3 to how they sold in weeks 4 through 7. In the settings area under arrow percent, I set the parameters of the trend I wish to see. Here, the arrows are set at 15%. A down arrow would mean that my products are down at least 15% when comparing the average orders of weeks 4 through 7 to the average orders of the past 3 weeks. So, the product red t-shirt is trending down. That means, on average, I have sold 15% less weekly orders from the average weekly orders in the month prior, i.e. the general overview of the past 7 weeks of this product is that it is now trending down. On average, in the past 3 weeks, I have sold 16.6 orders of the red t-shirt, while the month before, I sold 28.25 orders of the red t-shirt. That is greater than a 15% decrease in weekly orders. Where there are up arrows, I have increased by 15% on average in weekly orders in the past 3 weeks. I can change the percentage I wish to view in the trend settings section under arrow percent. Right now, the arrow percent shows 15% or 0.15. But if I were to write 0.2 and click enter, the arrow percent setting will change to 20%. So now, any product with a down arrow is on average selling 20% less weekly orders in the past 3 weeks as compared to the month before. And any product with an up arrow is selling 20% more average weekly orders in the past 3 weeks. In the SVA report, you have complete flexibility over the arrow trend you wish to see. For more instructional elements of the SVA report, click on the video icons throughout the report. Thank you for joining us on the Cuyari journey.